Hi, my name is Jeff from New Concept. What I'd like to do is spend a few moments talking to you about marking KEM 100% plastic playing cards. In this particular case, we're going to be using the marker, but the daub, which is really a dust, actually works just as effectively, and in many cases even more flexible than the marker is, because the marker must be used in the privacy of your own home, and the dust can be used with some practice in front of other people without them even knowing. Here we have the Ultra Luminous sunglasses that are available in many different styles. Contact us to see what your varieties are. These are just two examples, but certainly you're not limited to these. Now, if you look at the playing cards through the Ultra Luminous sunglasses, you're going to find that the cards, in this particular case, are unmarked. So this is before we mark the cards, and you will see how easy it is to use the Ultra Luminous marker to mark them. Same thing with the dust. The dust is simply a touch and a rub of the card. As you can see, I'm making a 4, followed by a C. You can see the marks as I'm writing on the card. I actually put 2 coats on the cards because KEM cards need to have a little bit darker marks than some other playing cards do. And when you look at the marks through the Ultra Luminous sunglasses, you'll find that there isn't quite as much contrast with the KEM cards as with other cards, but you can clearly see a 4C for the 4 clubs. Now let's take a look at marking the blueback cards. The blueback cards are obviously even a little bit darker than the reds are. So in that particular case, yes, you can mark the center of the cards, especially the white areas in the design. But many times I prefer marking the white borders. White borders have a couple of advantages, which you'll see in a moment. But the marks, again, are invisible. If you want to see what the marks look like by putting on the Ultra Luminous sunglasses, you could clearly see where the marks are on the white borders. You simply have to remember, let's say, the relative position of those dots on the cards, and you will know the value of the card. Another advantage of marking the white borders, as you can see, is if one card is on top of another, you don't need to see the whole card to figure out what's going on. All you really need to see is that white border. So if you have any questions or if you want additional information, please go to our website at www.marked-cards.com. I hope you enjoyed the video clip. I hope you found it informative. And feel free to contact us at your earliest convenience. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.